Hey team, this is a video for adjusting your startup page. And so the startup page is like when you close your computer entirely and then you reopen your computer and you open Chrome, what appears on the top. And I promise you, my startup page does not have the 30 tabs you see here, but it does have a whole bunch of links. And so the way that you actually modify that is you go to the three dots over here. I hope you could see that in the three dots over here. You go down to settings, and settings is a lot of things. You got to scroll all the way down to on startup. And so it gives you a few options: continue where you left off, open the new tab page, and open a specific set of pages. And throughout the school year, I periodically will always update these so that it's like what I really need. And so it's fairly, once you get here, you'll figure it out, but it gives you a chance to add a new page. You could actually, I believe, just set up your pages and then go here and collect use current pages. But you'll see here that I have, my eSchool stuff that I'm using a lot now and some summer planning stuff that opens up whenever I turn my computer on, and it just saves me like a minute a day, which adds up to lots of minutes. So that's how you do it. Again, you just go all the way to these over here to the three dots, settings, and then you scroll all the way down to startup page, and that's how you could make sure that all of your best, most important links like attendance and your advisory slideshow, all that stuff that you're going to use every morning is there for when you start up your computer from a shutdown. That's all. Thanks. See ya.